Hi. So I've been doing homework every day. And I was busy. And I was busy doing some reading and that's homework. But now, today I'm free. So now I can open my new toy, the Hot Wheels. So this is my new toy, Hot Wheels. Zayaan's dad gave me this toy. So he lives in Canada. So I love him. Thank you for giving me this toy. First you have to look at the construction. So this is the first part. So this goes here. And this part goes here. So now we need C and D. So now we need to find C and D. So we found them. So this part goes here. No, it's actually go here. It actually goes like right here. So it goes right here. We have this part set up. Now we need to look at number 8. So number 8 is this. You have to put it in here so you can put it here. So I found the part. So now you gotta put it in. And just put it in just like this. So now we're gonna find G and G. So first we have to put this part here. So now we have to put G and G together. I got the GTR. This is my fireless car. Also this one. He's already done with gas. So now he's gonna race with this guy. Let's see who wins. That's me. Now this car is slow, so we need some gas. We need to go in here now. We need to start to go in here now. So now we're gonna make it go down. Whoa! We're done building it. Look at our toy. It's brand new. We already fixed it, but we don't have batteries, so this is supposed to not work. But if we have batteries, it's gonna work by itself. So we can still play.